my little babies that I hatched out. They're getting to try all kinds of new stuff. All new things. I think Smokey might be a frizzle. I hope. Here, this is a toy that I got sent in one of the review kits. Haven't done much with it. For a little bit, I was putting silver up on it to see if it would help his little feet. Her little feet. I don't know. They seem to be enjoying the movement, the room. I'll be glad when the door's finished in this room. As you can see, there's not a whole door, but there's walls. Look at that. Look at them babies. So, we moved them out here, I think, 2 days ago. They seem to be enjoying it. It's cooled down a lot, so at night I'm having to use their heat. But let's let them do their goodies, and then we'll go give the goodies to the others.